Well folks, here we are again with another Harbor Freight tool test. This one here is a dent puller, courtesy of a deer that did not yield the right of way and slammed into the side of my SUV. Thinking about putting up signs around wooded areas, strongly urging deer to start seeing SUVs. Once again, I have Joe, my assistant, is going to be testing the tool out for us. And so let's go ahead and get to the product test.
Well, it's basically a suction cup. It's supposed to go on there and pull the dent out, and it was only $3, so not quite like the last tool we spent $30 or $40 on that we couldn't get to work. Still looking for those meth heads to teach us how to use it, if you know any. But I guess we're gonna go down in here, and I don't think it's gonna work very well because it's not a really flat surface. But how many dents are a flat surface? But we'll try to get it now. See, it doesn't go up here. Hook her on real nice. Get it back off. But here, where it's all curved in, you can't get a grip. So, unless we can find some flat dents, I don't think this one's going to work very well.
Looks like another Harbor Freight tool fail.